Let me tell you how email drafts saved my life. I'm just playing around. Email drafts to me are the best new building block or like smart chip or whatever you want to call it Google that Google has invented. It's basically a templated email draft that you could share with other people. You can use over and over again. It's automatically put in your Google Drive. And I'm still not finished. It sends the email out within Google Docs. So it has so many features that can make your life easier. Like I use email drafts. I have to send out a big email. I can share it with my boss. My boss can give feedback and then I can just send the email out. Whereas before email drafts came into my life, I would have to like send the draft email in email form to my boss. Then my boss would give me feedback on the email within email. Then I would have to edit the email and then copy it and send it. It's just so, oh my gosh, it's just too much. It's just too much. It don't make sense. So email drafts work like this. Let me give you an example because you're probably like, she's just ranting, but I don't care. So anyways, here's an example of me using email drafts. I have to send out a manager update to the people I work with, and I can draft the email within the Google Doc. And then right here, all I have to do is put the people I want to send it to, put the title, and I can click here, and it's going to like create the email for me. Holy moly. And then I can like add more people. I can change stuff up. I can schedule send it all within the same Google Doc. It saves you so much time. And then if I want to, I can share it with my manager or someone else and be like, hey, read this through before I send it out. And it's just like, it's just more intuitive and it can be saved here. Like here I can click move and I can put it within any folder so that it's easy for me to access and find or share with somebody later on. So if your team has like repetitive emails, it can be shared with the whole team so anybody can send it out. It just saves time. So let's discover how to use it. So again, you can go to insert, you can go to building blocks, there's the email draft. You can also do the @ sign and you'll see email draft and you can just click it and it'll appear. And the one thing I like about email drafts is like you can have like mad other gibberish up here and mad other random stuff down here. And the email draft can be in the middle and it'll only send what's in this area here. So you could have like instructions up here and other instructions down here, and then somebody could just click this button to then send the email. And even if you don't have it done, it'll still just make an email. You could get to typing. Why you would do that doesn't make sense, but you know, it's your prerogative. So if you want to put in the person, like maybe I want to send it to my personal email, I can put it here. And let's say you're like, I want to send it to way more people than this. You can either just type the @ sign and it'll start bringing up other random people, or you can literally copy a list of people right here as well. You can put the title, use this, and then hello, use this now. Joy. And then once you have the message, you can just literally click this. And now you'll see that there's all my emails are listed here. The subject is here. The message is here. I can schedule send as I stated. Bow bing boom. I'm true. I can delete it. I can not send it out, but it'll still always be here in this Google Doc. So if you don't know about email drafts, now you know about email drafts. Use email drafts. You also can use templates within Gmail, but that's another video that I'm not getting to right now. But this video, hopefully in this video, you have learned and discovered email drafts and are going to now use them on a daily basis. All right, bye.